Hello! A happy and healthy day to our beloved learners, supportive parents, and guardians. Welcome to Tiragpas Network DepEd Candon City Telescuela, kanlungan ng kaalaman tungo sa kahusayan at kaunlaran. Tara na! It's science time! This episode is for Grade 7, Quarter 2, Week 3, wherein we will be discussing about the levels of biological organization. I am Teacher Ruby and I'll be your teacher for today's episode. Let us learn science in an easy and fun way. Are you ready to have fun while learning? That's great! Let's get started! This week's episode in Quarter 2 is anchored from our most essential learning competency, which is to describe the different levels of biological organization from cell to biosphere. In today's episode, you are expected to identify the different levels of biological organization and describe the parts that make up each level of organization and their functions. Have you ever asked yourself on what makes you up and the other organisms around you? We will discover answers as we go along our lesson. To start, we must know that organisms are categorized according to the number of cells in the body, either unicellular or multicellular. Do you know what a unicellular organism is? That's correct! It is an organism that has a single cell. A unicellular organism depends upon just one cell for all its functions. Paramecium, amoeba, bacteria, and yeast are examples of unicellular organism. What about a multicellular organism? Correct, an organism that consists of many cells. This organism that has multiple cells is specialized to perform different functions that collectively support the organism. Plants and animals are examples of multicellular organisms. All living things exhibit a unique and complex hierarchical organization. This is arranged in ascending order, or from smallest to the largest level that includes cell, tissue, organ, organ system, organism, population, community, ecosystem, and biosphere. One concrete example of a living thing is you. You are composed of many parts, and each part has a specific function. Every part is connected and is necessary for your continuous existence on this planet. The parts of your body will not work alone. Instead, it works as a whole. One part will not be able to work properly if the other part is missing. Now, let's take a look at the different levels of biological organization, starting from the smallest level, and that is cell, which is the basic structural functional unit of life. Remember that all organisms, big or small, consist of cells. You have learned a while ago that cells can either be unicellular or multicellular, right? Let's proceed to the next level, which is tissue. Tissues are made up of cells. This group of cells perform a similar function. The heart and kidneys, for example, are made up of tissues. Next level, we have organs. An organ is a group of tissues in an organism that have been adapted to perform a specific function. Organs are known as the body's recognizable structures. For example, the heart, lungs, liver, eyes, and stomach. We now proceed to the organ systems. Organ systems are made up of organs that have related functions and are grouped together. For example, the mouth, esophagus, stomach, and intestines are organs of the digestive system. From cells to tissues, to organs, then to organ systems, we can now proceed to the next level, and that is an organism. When we say organism, that is an individual living thing that is made up of one or more organ systems. You and I are organisms, and a mango tree is an organism, and a horse is also an organism. After learning the different levels of organization in an organism, can you think of other levels of organization that are bigger than the organism? That's correct. There are other levels of organization bigger than the organism. Let's check them one by one. The next level is called population, which is described as a group of organisms of one type that live in the same area. For example, we have a population of bullfrogs and a population of mahogany tree in the forest. Next, we have community, which is defined as groups of two or more different populations that live together in a defined area. For example, all the species in a pond. We proceed to the next level, and that is ecosystem. And it is defined as a community of living things along with all the non-living components of the environment with which life interacts, such as soil, water, air, and light. Examples of ecosystems include forest ecosystem, aquatic ecosystem, and desert ecosystem. Lastly, we have the so-called biosphere. It is the region on, below, and above the Earth's surface where life exists. To see if you have understood our lesson for today, let's have this activity. Read carefully and follow the direction given below. Identify what is asked in the following sentences. You're given 5 seconds for each item. Number 1, the basic structural functional unit of life. Letter A, cell. Letter B, tissue. Letter C, organ. Letter D, organ system. Your timer starts now. Time is up. What's your answer? The answer is letter A, cell. Number 2, a group of cells performing similar function. Letter A, cell. Letter B, tissue. Letter C, organ. Letter D, organ system. Your timer starts now. Time is up. The answer is letter B, tissue. Number 3, an individual living thing that is made up of one or more organ system. Letter A, cell. Letter B, tissue. Letter C, organ. Letter D, organism. Your timer starts now. Time is up. The answer is letter D, organism. Number 4, there is an organism that has a single cell. Letter A, cell. Letter B, multicellular. Letter C, one cell. Letter D, unicellular. Your timer starts now. Time is up. The answer is letter D, unicellular. Number 5, an organism that consists of multiple cells. Letter A, cell. Letter B, multicellular. Letter C, one cell. Letter D, unicellular. Your timer starts now. Time is up. And the answer is letter B, multicellular. Let's proceed to the next activity. This time, you are to write the number as to the order of the levels of biological organization from smallest to the largest level. You're given 15 seconds for this set. And here are the jumbled levels. Organ system, population, community, biosphere, organism, cell, ecosystem, tissue, organ. Your timer starts now. That's it! Now let's reveal the answers. The correct order is cell, tissue, organ, organ system, organism, population, community, ecosystem, and biosphere. Did you get all the answers correctly? If yes, very good. If no, that's okay. Now let's have a recap. For today's lesson, we were able to learn the different levels of biological organization and their functions, starting from the smallest to the largest level. Cells, tissues, organs, organ systems, organism, population, community, ecosystem, and biosphere. That's it! We have reached the end of the lesson. I hope you've learned something from this lesson. Once again, I'm Teacher Ruby. Thank you very much for listening. Before I leave, let me give you a message to ponder on by Thich Thien An. Since everything is interconnected, since all things depend one upon another, nothing is absolute, nothing is separate, but all are part of the one indivisible whole. See you next time. Bye!